After 19 years of living in the US, I finally came back to my homeland, Cameroon. I was born there and I moved to the US when I was about 7 years old, and at 26, I came back, unfortunately for a funeral, but thank God I got to see a lot of family and had an amazing time. This is my Cameroonian vlog, mostly for my memories and my family's memories, but also for you guys to get a glimpse of my life. So enjoy. Hello beautiful people. This is the next day in my visit to Cameroon vlog. So as you can see, I actually filled water in buckets so I could go shower with my friend Abigail. I love her so much, y'all. I miss her so much. But anyway, she helped me out, so we filled up our buckets and at the faucet. So they actually have places where the water comes out and they throw it in these huge bins, so that way when it's done for the day, you have that water for the rest of the day. But yeah, filled that up and went to the bathroom to shower. It's funny because this was like the last time I did this in the regular bathroom. Afterwards, I just chose to shower outside because it was just more fun and freeing, and I wanted it for memory purposes. But just so you guys know, there are modern bathrooms in the village, so no worries there. And this is outside of my grandpa's house. I just wanted to film just to have it for memory again. It was just so cool seeing everything after a long time.
Good morning, everyone. I have a friend. Get on know. Abigail. Abigail has helped me, you guys. I had to shower in the village. How? Hey, tu comprends français? Ok. Abigail m'a beaucoup aidé aujourd'hui. Je suis partie me laver dans le champ. Je suis partie me laver au village. On a puisé l'eau dans le seau. Hey. On a frotté partie de l'eau là-bas aux toilettes pour se laver. Tu parles pour ma qui a fui la guerre. Non, vraiment, merci beaucoup ma fille. Tu m'as beaucoup aidé. On est où? Au village. Au village ou non? À Bangou. On est à Bangou. À Langoué, le cas. Langoué. C'est Langoué. C'est Langoué. Langoué. J'ai demandé à mon pays, il a dit Langoué. Langoué. C'est bête. Yes. On a mangé ce soir l'orange, non? Oh, c'est orange, c'est orange. Oh, tu comprends la français, tu parles en anglais maintenant. C'est le mot qu'on a en anglais, non? Orange. Ok, c'est orange en français. Orange. Regarde mes cheveux, j'aime pas bien ranger mes cheveux. Et puis il faut qu'on... Et pose encore la robe aussi. Demain, ça dit que c'est aujourd'hui. On va rentrer chez nous. Hey, tu vas rentrer? On rentre. Avec la pied de qui? On rentre. C'est bon, on va encore. Mais la lumière comme ça. Regarde, voilà la lumière. Mais on va tomber sur ma... Ok, je ne t'aime pas. On va quitter la maison ici. Ouais. Ok. Dis-moi comment va le Cameroun? Cameroun se porte très très bien. Le dos est dit non? Ah. Là encore tu dis quoi? Au Cameroun on part au champ. On part au champ, on fait quoi au champ? On part cultiver, on part récolter, on part semer. Il faut que tu... Quand tu as porté le sac là sur ta tête. La petite fille, elle a porté le sac sur ta tête. Elle ne touche même pas le sac. Elle marche sur les roussis. Elle ne tombe pas. Maman. This little girl, she traveled. Hey, peut-être pas tout le bain.
On va parler de là.
Alright, you guys, we are. Hein? On prend les choses. Gâte? Comme ça, on prend. Ah oui, so we're right at the funeral site. Il faut que je filme ce qu'on a à la maison là. Je n'ai pas filmé. Quel? Le siège là, non? Ah oui. C'est bien.
Vous partez à la maison, vous dormez le matin, vous ne venez même pas saluer la...
The place is now super filled. On dirait pas la place.
So this is the day of the burial of the body for the funeral. So they kind of have like a whole church service. A lot of people came, you guys. That place was filled, and literally outside was filled, but they weren't letting people in because there was no more places to sit. But yeah, it was a lot, but it was really cool. So there's a little snippet of that. So what you guys saw before was the first funeral site, like the main site, and this is like what my mom organized for her grandfather. I don't know if this is confusing, but this is us like cleaning all of the pots. Y'all, this was so much work. There were so many pots, and shout out to Abigail. She did all of those pots. I helped with the plates, but that white box thing you guys see there is the water. So you have to fill that up, and then you have that for, like, for the rest of the day. So we were like kind of filling up the water to wash the dishes, rinse the dishes from that, and putting it in different pots as you guys see there. But y'all, it was so fun being able to do this and like helping out and everything, but it was so much work at the same time. But basically we cleaned everything up and it was like nothing ever happened like the next day, which is pretty amazing. But yeah, I had a lot of fun doing this.
Tuko hasta tao. Hey, papa. C'est là-bas. Oh, tu m'as vu. Tu m'as vu. Hein? Oh oui, ok.
Voilà. Voilà, les choses vont commencer. N'oubliez pas le mot de poche, hein. N'oubliez pas aussi le mot de poche. Parce que... Est-ce que t'as de poche là? Good, good, good. Ah oui?
Yay! Oh my gosh! Oh, venez ici là pour partir au champ. Hey! Ah. Hey, c'est quoi là-bas? La chèvre. Hey, c'est la chèvre. On coupe ça, on mange.
So here my uncle was taking me around our compound that belongs to our family. There's so much space back there. It's like 15 to 20 acres.
Hey! That's the plant that produces the white wine. Tomatoes. God, this place is huge. More vegetable. These are the greens. The spinach. Okay, spinach. Wow. Wow. C'est grand. C'est vraiment. C'est. Wow.
We didn't walk all of it because some of the places people actually live on, but we were walking through and he was showing me like some of the plants that grow and that we found there.
That is shoe. Oh my gosh, look at these leaves. You make something called a shoe with this. They're like huge green roses. This is my grandpa's house. It's so huge, you guys. I don't know. Another uncle that I have no idea who it is. You guys, I'm so excited. This is where we used to play all the time. It's like my grandma's side of the compound. This is her kitchen in here, and literally I remember this exact smell. She used to cook on like wood in here. Look at this. This is a whole natural, this girl. But yeah, I used to cook on the wood right there. Oh my gosh, it smells so good in here. Oh my gosh. See, look, this is like Pierre Kaze right here. And she used to just sit right there or right here. Oh my god, I remember this so well. Wow. It's so crazy looking at this like when I'm more grown up. And nobody really stays here anymore. So it's like, it's not really lived in as much as it used to be. Where's the light? Oh wow, there's, oh, I remember this back area. We used to like store like other stuff that we're not cooking yet in here. And now there's just like a bunch of wood. I literally remember like during the night we had to like get like a little lamp thingy and walk down. Oh, the bathroom was over there. Yep, and go in there to the bathroom. That's crazy, bro. I'm gonna try to go in there too if I'm right. I don't want to go into one myself, though. Yes, these are grandpa's stairs. Now that's where that is. It's all making sense. Oh my gosh. It's like so nostalgic. Look at this huge farm. We have such a huge farm. I just don't understand. Okay. Yes, this is where it is. See, you literally bend down and poop right there. Yeah, don't ask me any questions. This is literally what happens. And then there's you wash, like you get a bucket of water and you wash yourself. That's crazy, bro. I used to hate it. I used to hate it. Yeah, you guys see that hole? Yep, that's about it. And you put your feet right here. Put your feet right there, and then you poop into that hole. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. We got the fire going. I wish I recorded, but I was outside recording. But we just had a little lighter, and we just lighted the little paper down there, and you put it under there so you can light up the wood. Y'all, it smells, I don't know why, I just love the smell of like wood burning. It smells so good, especially when you put something on it. Next level cooking right there. This is the progress. This is the progress. So we just boil some water. This is for the free noir. And she's gonna add it to the cold water. Okay, you guys, here's the progress. It's so smoky in here, but there are the eggs. Tu me filmes même. Ok, je vais te filmer. Ah, c'est ma blanche. Elle te fait les œufs pour nous. Merci, maman. Oh my god, it's so smoky in here.
Hey, j'ai oublié. Ouais, regardez alors le bavardage. Vous faites des bavardages. J'ai cassé 5 œufs. Ça fait quoi? Non, mais
Tu peux se séparer, non. Tu peux séparer. Guys, it's straight vibe. Vibe. J'aime quand mes œufs n'est pas bien cuit. This is my grandma's old room. Look at all those pictures. This is my grandma. How cute is she? Oh my gosh.
This is where you used to sleep.
I sleep in here. We can.
Yep.
Oh yeah, we used to sleep in here.
Yep.
I knew it was on this side, but it was in Grandma's room. Oh my gosh, we used to sleep in here. Nobody's here now. It's so dusty. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's amazing.
This is the end of this vlog. There's so much more to come. This is right outside of our house. I was just showing the road and everything. We were actually on our way to the market. We had to cook. So stay tuned for that in the next vlog right here.